Why you must learn JavaScript in 2025. I consider JavaScript as one of the best tools you can have in your toolbox, simply because with the knowledge of JavaScript, you will be able to do React.js, Next.js, Express.js, Vue.js, AngularJS, and almost all the JS family is built on JavaScript. So you can't afford not to have JavaScript in your toolbox. I consider it one of the best, of course. So for React.js, you will be able to build a reactive application just like Facebook. And for your Android and iOS, you will be able to use React Native to achieve that. So I consider JavaScript as one of the best language you can ever learn in 2025. Just imagine having the knowledge of JavaScript, you will be able to do so many things, including the back end and the front end. You can use Express.js for the back end. You can use React.js for the front end when it comes to a reactive application. Also, you can learn Vue.js, AngularJS, and so many of the JS family. So if you are deliberating on the language to learn in 2025, JavaScript is my opinion for you. Absolutely useful and important. Alright, this is all for now, and if you find this information helpful, do well to smash that like button, and otherwise, hit subscribe.